My lips were literally very dried and chapped, so I tried Satwanatural lip balm. They have claimed to be 100% natural and made with ghee, essential oils and butters. So I bought 2 shades and they have amazing pigment. I mean, they lasted good for like very long time. I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera, but it's very moisturizing and it's not drying at all. It's perfect to use on everyday basis if you don't want to apply lipstick. And again, this one comes in like this sort of cardboard box. I have used lip balm from almost every brand in market and I have liked only few of them. Lip balms from Satwanatural are moisturizing enough to keep your lips hydrated for long hours even without touch up, unlike other Ayurvedic brands. This one is in the shade, this one particular one is in the shade Sunkissed, which is like coral. It gives you natural tint to lips, which I love. Let's go over quick pros and cons of this product. It gives you very good pigment in one swipe only. It can be used as a tint. There are so many colors option available. You can literally pick any shade that is your favorite. Like literally 20 shades are available on their website, and it doesn't have any smell even though it is Ayurvedic product. I think that's a huge pro. Coming to cons, it does form a glossy melty first layer coat on the top of your lip balm. Outside of your lip balm, this sides, and so carrying it around during summer or hot climate is not suitable for at least traveling. So that's the only con. It doesn't affect your lip pigmentation even though the brand claims it does. It didn't help with my pigmentation. I did not see any results, so make sure not to choose this one if you have major concern area, that is pigmentation. I mean, that's not the best reason to buy this one. It retails for about 290 rupees and the price fluctuates a lot with this brand. They're always on sale, so check that out. I'll link them in below somewhere in description box. So